Hello and welcome to the video. Today we'll be answering the question, how do you know that your guitar strings need changing? Now there are several different ways you can tell. Firstly, if your strings are discoloured and black, they are well beyond needing changing. See on the A string, the blue string, little dark coloured marks wear, and it's a combination of the string wearing, but also to be honest, it's finger grime, dirt off your fingers, sweat, oils from your skin. I can see that the whole guitar needs to be cleaned, and this makes your strings sound dull and dead. They don't vibrate properly. They would sound terrible, and obviously they are corroding. Yeah, get yourself some new strings. If you want to be really professional, if you start playing in bands, every gig you should really have a new set of strings. The tone of your strings will deteriorate little by little, and you don't really notice it day by day until you sometimes play a guitar with new strings, and then you hear the difference straight away. In the same way that you don't really notice the tyres on your car or even your bicycle wearing away day by day, and you don't notice that little by little they're losing grip until you go and get a new set of tyres one day and it feels like you've got a whole new car. It's just that you needed to replace your tyres. So anyway, how do you know your strings need changing? Here's another way. You can hear the difference in new strings compared to old strings. Today I've got two guitars here with me to demonstrate, my Humble Inferno and a Takamine D series. The label's been removed because it had a broken headstock. My man David Pierce fixed that very well and hand painted the wood grain, no less. Good job, Dave. So I've got my Inferno, which is spruce top, solid mahogany back and neck. I'm not sure of the stats on the Takamine D series. I believe they're a lesser quality series made in China, but nevertheless, when we put new strings on her, she actually sounds very nice. And the tone is crisp and lovely, rings nicely with a nice tone, almost reminds me of a piano. Whereas if I come to my guitar, which needs new strings, quite honestly, these are the same brand of strings as well, the same gauge, but you'll notice that my guitar sounds very dull. It sounds very dull, very bassy, hardly any treble, flat. It's just sort of flat sounding. Again, new strings. Much crisper. They sound very nice. If your strings are dull, it's time to change. Thanks for watching. I'll have lots more videos coming soon. See you then.